Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting Honeygain running on the devices you plan to share from. Install the app, sign in, and grant network permissions so data can flow. Once done, pick how many megabytes you want available on each device. You're setting a budget for shared bandwidth. Make sure devices are on reliable networks and not in low data or restricted modes. Now open the app and move to settings so you can begin allocating MB immediately. You now allocate and fine-tune how MB are shared. Go to settings and find traffic sharing or bandwidth controls. Here you enter the MB per device and set daily or weekly caps so you don't overshare. Also choose which networks are allowed, for example, only Wi-Fi or both Wi-Fi and mobile. Once configured, apply tethering and sleep rules so sharing pauses during battery saver or when idle. This prevents surprises and keeps your allowance predictable. You finish by starting the sharing session and verifying activity in the Honeygain dashboard. Once started, monitor MB consumption and earnings. If usage climbs too fast, step back into settings and lower caps. Make sure devices remain connected and not blocked by firewalls or carrier limits. If something goes wrong, restart the app, confirm network permissions, and test the connection with other apps. That single troubleshooting step, restart plus permission check, resolves most sharing interruptions quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.